Hello guys, welcome to my another new video. Today I want to discuss about how to pitch your app in 3 simple steps, so let's start the video. Pitching your app effectively is essential for attracting investors, partners, or customers. Here's a simple 3-step framework to structure your app pitch. 1. Identify the problem. What's the pain point? Clearly state the problem your app solves. Explain why this issue matters and who is affected by it. Real-world relevance. Use relatable examples or statistics to make the problem more concrete. This helps your audience understand the significance of solving it. 2. Present the solution. Your unique solution. Describe how your app addresses the problem uniquely or more effectively than existing options. Core features and benefits. Highlight the main features that deliver value and how they specifically tackle the pain points mentioned. User-friendly and scalable. Mention any special features, user experience advantages, or scalability plans to show its potential longevity and growth. 3. Highlight market potential and traction. Market size. Mention the size of your target market to give a sense of the opportunity. Evidence of traction. If you have early adopters, user growth data, or customer testimonials, share them to build credibility. Clear call to action. End by outlining what you're seeking, whether it's funding, partnerships, or feedback, and why now is the right time. These are the most important 3 steps where you can pitch your app. Thanks for watching the video. If you didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to it. Also, share this video